Hey there! After watching James Hoffman's recent coffee candy video, I wanted to create my own perfect coffee candy. So, let's get into it. My journey of creating the perfect coffee candy started at Ukiyo Coffee in Utrecht. It's a great small specialty coffee place owned by my Colombian cousin-in-law, and he served me a drink made with a shot of espresso and a
Limonada de Panela.
It's made with cane sugar and lime, and it has a great tart flavor. The espresso still comes through. It's great. I like it. It's also a great summer drink for you to try out.
Oh yeah, and it's also the flavor for this candy.
My goal for this recipe was to make a candy that actually uses a shot of espresso. The challenge with this is that you actually need a very low moisture content for most candies to solidify properly. During my research, I stumbled on this video. The great thing about the recipe is that you actually need to add liquids after the boiling part, which allows you to add the espresso without having to boil it, thus ruining the flavor. I modified the recipe a little bit to better suit the flavors that I wanted, but you can give his video a view if you're still curious. So let's get right into the recipe.
I used a very bright coffee with lemonade notes, but I think that a darker, maybe more nutty coffee would also be very nice.
Hey, so the candies have solidified. I used quite a big ice cube mold for it, but you can just use anything. You can also cut them into pieces, but I like them big. If you have any questions about the recipe, you can just send them in the comments and I will try to answer them. Maybe try it out yourself, try a variation, whatever. I hope the video was clear. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you very much for watching. Bye-bye.